Hi. To start creating macros in Excel or using extra functionalities like ActiveX buttons or forms, you will need to use commands from Developer tab. This tab is not visible for standard users after installing the Office, but it is very easy to show and use this tab. After opening the Excel, just right-click on the ribbon and choose an option Customize the ribbon. Now, in the right side of the panel, check the box next to the Developer option, confirm OK, and that's it. You are a developer now, or at least you can become a developer. From this tab, you can manage scripts, add-ins, or use special controls to create your own forms. I hope you liked the video, so please give me a like, plus subscribe, and if you have a task you need to help with, put the details into a comment.